Hi everyone, welcome to week 5, module 5 of the course, the week you've all been waiting for when we finally get to the American Revolutionary War. So for several weeks we've been talking about events that led up to this moment in the actual outbreak of war. We'll start the module by talking a little bit more about those things, the taxation, the conflict that was happening in the colonies, and also how not everyone agreed that independence was a necessary step. And so it was quite revolutionary in the sense that there was enough momentum for people to want to break away from actual British rule. And so we know initially the Continental Congress reaches out with the Olive Branch petition, basically saying, hey, please, please, please be nice to us. So we don't want to break away. We don't want to be independent. And of course, King George says, nope, I don't care, basically, which leads to the Second Continental Congress and the official Declaration of Independence, where at this point, the United States says, these are our issues and we are breaking away. We declare ourselves independent. And so we know that this was quite a brave and daring move, but not everyone agreed with them. And so part of your assignments this week, you are actually going to look closely at the Declaration of Independence. And so for your assignment is my own Declaration of Independence. You'll look at what was modeled in the actual document and think of a situation where you could write a similar kind of declaration. And so you're going to follow that format. And so it could be something related to injustices you see in your life. And so it could be related to school or work or study groups or relationships, things like that. So you'll start with when in the course of human events it becomes necessary, ... And then we hold these truths to be self-evident that ... And then to prove this, you're going to have some facts. And then don't forget the final part, which is we therefore solemnly publish and declare. And so these were the sections in the actual Declaration of Independence. And so you'll get to create your own assignment there. And you can do that in a creative way. And so it can be an infographic, a presentation, or a video. So tools for that could be something like just a video platform. It could be a PowerPoint, Google Slides. If you're going to make an infographic, I recommend Canva or Visme are some really great tools. Let me know if you want to see some more specific examples or need some help utilizing some of those tools. Your discussion assignment for the week is to identify and find a primary and secondary source related to the Revolutionary War. And this comes after the historical hack for the week, which has you looking closely at how to evaluate and interpret online sources. And so you'll look closely at primary sources and popular versus scholarly sources. And it's the historical hack this week is a really neat introduction to how to do that, how to really decide, like, is this real information? Can I trust it? And it's going to apply not only to history class, but also just to your life. Like, should I retweet this? Should I post this on Twitter? Should I post this on social media and things like that? Yeah, that is it for the week. Please let me know if you need any assistance. Have a great week. Bye.